We ain't playing nothing slow at the parking lot.
I love me some parking lot parties. Yeah. That's how we roll. After the party, it's the after party, right? Yeah. All right, welcome back. I'm meteorologist Justin Chambers. Happy Tuesday to you. Finally got my cup of coffee. It's one of those mornings, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that you should have had one an hour ago.
Thank you. I appreciate it. She's always yelling at me.
No, I
Drink
said
more
I'm
coffee.
glad you got your coffee. Don't
I know. Now listen, it is Tuesday, so it's Leg Kick Tuesday. Leg Kick coming a little bit later. But what else is it on Tuesday? I'm trying to figure out what else happens on Tuesday. Because it's
Does someone visit?
that's what it is. Screaming Sheep Tuesday. And we call it Hump Day Eve, too. So we've got a lot of things to celebrate today. There it is right now outside your Fox 21 Skycam. That sun not coming up for another 40, 45 minutes or so. We've got some clouds that are sort of hanging out here this morning, and the clouds actually making things a little bit more on the mild side temperature-wise. You'll still need a jacket when you step outside here this morning. You can see your satellite and radar picture, though, up and down the front range with all of the clouds that continue to move into southern Colorado. And our temperatures reflecting that. 43 right now in Pueblo, 48 in the Springs, 48 in Trinidad. Still cold west of I-25, 28 Alamosa, and 30s for Buny and Saguache. Now, not a lot of winds, single-digit wind speeds that we're seeing at this time for your Tuesday morning. Just wanted to make sure I got Tuesday right. Now, the larger picture here for the West Coast, there's an area of low pressure in Seattle and Portland, and that is drawing in a lot of these clouds up ahead of it. We call it what we call a southwesterly flow. So we're going to see some winds out toward the eastern plains a little bit later on this afternoon. Red flag warnings posted there as well, and that's an increase in wind and those decreasing humidity numbers. If you're traveling today, temps in New York City and D.C., 60s and 70s along the East Coast. Saw some rough weather there yesterday in the Northeast with some power outages and some downed trees. 88 in Miami. How about 95 in Phoenix, 75 in LA, 82 in Dallas. Not a lot happening though. Pretty calm weather day throughout the country. So if you're traveling, not going to be dealing with too much. We've got a strong ridge of high pressure. That's when we slap that big H right there on the map. That ridge of high pressure and that sinking air keeping those temperatures up and keeping the moisture out of here. Now here's our future view. There's just not a lot happening. Yeah, 10 o'clock this morning. Couple of clouds here and there. Into the 5 o'clock hour, a little bit warmer, mostly clear. Into tonight, not much. Tomorrow morning, same, a lot of sun. Then tomorrow afternoon, still not much. But a couple of showers along the Continental Divide. That's ahead of that next system that'll affect us as we get into Thursday and Friday. So that's where the changes come. Now getting the kids out for your bus stop forecast. Temperatures in the 40s this morning, 80s for this afternoon with sunny and warmer conditions. Here is your 7-day forecast, or a week's worth of weather, we like to call it. 80 for your high today in the Springs, overnight lows in the 40s. Notice our temperature still in the lower 70s for tomorrow afternoon. And then the winds really pick up into Thursday and Friday. We got the chance for some showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms, and those temps dropping back into the 60s. And then into Saturday and Sunday, we actually clear things out and we'll see more sunshine and temps back into the mid 60s. Pueblo will see 86 for your high today, 44 tonight, upper 70s tomorrow, then back into the lower 70s on Thursday. More showers, a couple of thunderstorms possible. Not really the rain, it's the wind and the colder temperatures. That's going to be the main weather factor from this next system that's moving into Thursday and Friday. All right, let's check traffic right now and see what's happening.